My first meeting as chair of the Powys Regional Partnership Board was busy and productive. So here's just a few of the things that have been dominating our thinking and our action. Work to review the priorities of the partnership with a refresh of the health and social care strategy. Well, that's been going on for a little while, but we're going to continue that work through until March of next year. We're using the rich sources of data that are available from both the Health Board, our voluntary sector partners and the County Council, so that we can really think about what we need to focus on so that our work continues to deliver the very best for the people of Powys, not just now, but also into the future. Really great to see Powys leading the way with the National RPB Engagement Charter. This charter is there to ensure that we are really listening and hearing the voices of people right the way across the county. It's just one of the approaches that we use in the RPB so that we can really reflect on people's needs and on their experience. It's by doing this we can support change with a real spirit of co-production. Just one of the ways in which the RPB hears from the people of Powys is in our new feature of ensuring that we have a story brought to the board. This month we looked at an art project being delivered by Frances and her colleagues in the south of Powys to those people that have been given a diagnosis of dementia. Through art therapy, it's an opportunity for them and their carers to reflect on that diagnosis, but also to create friendship and opportunities to chat and to support one another. By including that in the board, it reminds us all around that table why we're there to deliver on behalf of local people. Last month, I attended the quarterly meeting with RPB chairs from across Wales with ministers in Cardiff Bay. It's an opportunity for us to consider some of the really challenging situations we're facing as a nation at the moment, and for the ministers in Cardiff Bay to hear how the RPB can help tackle those problems. It's really important that the voice of Powys is heard at those meetings, because whilst many of the challenges are the same, sometimes solutions in rural Wales, well, they need to be a bit different. So I'm very proud to be able to ensure that Powys' voice is heard in those important national meetings. And last but not least, I want to give a heartfelt thanks, a diolch o galon, to Mariona for her support and challenge at the board over the last 3 years. Mariona is one of our carer representatives, and she has been absolutely tenacious in the way that she has brought the carer experience to the work of the board. So a massive thank you to Mariona and very best wishes for the future.